Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make hard-boiled eggs in your Instant Pot even if you do not have a steam release valve. We are just going to start by putting about 1.5 cups of water in the bottom of our Instant Pot. We're going to fill the base of the Instant Pot with our eggs. Mine are farm fresh from my backyard chickens. Yours do not have to be. Store-bought eggs work just the same. We're going to go ahead and close the lid. We're going to hit the steam button and we're going to increase the time to 20 minutes. We're going to let this go for 20 minutes, and once it beeps and says it's done, you're going to leave it with the lid closed and wait for another 5 minutes just for everything to settle and let the eggs continue to kind of seep just like they would in a 5-5-5 method in an Instant Pot with a pressure release valve. We're going to go ahead and take our eggs out, put them in our cold water, add ice if you want, and then you're just going to go ahead and peel. And that is how you make hard-boiled eggs in your Instant Pot even if you do not have a release valve for the typical 5-5-5 method.